You have healthcare data. Maybe a lot of it. And like most, you have more than one source of it. And that data is probably in more than one location and in different schemas that don't play nice with each other. That scenario can make it really hard to bring it all together for machine learning. But you need to innovate. You want to partner with researchers to improve outcomes. You want to make your clinic more efficient. And to do that, you need to share all that data. Oh, and sharing health data? Also really hard. That's why HL7 created the HL7 FHIR standard, the Fast Healthcare Interoperability Resources Spec. Having a FHIR server begins to solve the interoperability problem. Using FHIR, your healthcare systems can all speak the same language. You could implement a FHIR server yourself, but building, updating, and keeping a FHIR server compliant can be pretty expensive. You need an engineering team to stay on top of it, and most importantly, ensure that it's secure. That's no small task in today's world of threats that change all the time. Suddenly you realize it's way bigger than you thought. Should you give up? Introducing the Azure API for FHIR, a fully managed FHIR service. You can set it up in the cloud in just minutes. Azure API for FHIR helps you unlock your health data and get your systems talking to each other. It's easy to get started. You simply log into the Azure portal and create a new API for FHIR resource. Within a few minutes, you'll have a new FHIR server up and running and ready for your data, saving you time, money, and maybe a few sleepless nights. Since the Azure API for FHIR implements the FHIR spec and keeps it up to date, any systems that use FHIR can connect to your service and start exchanging data. And once your data is in the Azure API for FHIR, you get access to all the power of the Microsoft Cloud and accelerate machine learning. Azure API for FHIR supports health data compliance and is built on Azure, which means you can have global scale and high availability. Save time, save money, and do more with your data. Leave the operations, maintenance, and updates of your FHIR service to us. Azure API for FHIR enables you to do more with your health data, do more with your partners, do more with your engineers, and use the power of the cloud to unlock insights.